Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused Figma file and choosing the correct frame size. This sets context immediately. Once done, import your brand assets, logos, fonts, and HEX color values so components match the identity. Then establish a grid and an 8px baseline to control spacing. This speeds layout decisions. Make sure to set constraints on the frame and basic components now, because early rules prevent redesign backtracking and keep responsive behavior predictable as you build. You now construct reusable components, buttons, inputs, and cards, using variants and auto layout so sizes adapt. Once components exist, compose pages by placing instances into frames and setting constraints like left, right, or scale to maintain layout across breakpoints. Also create shared styles for typography, color, and effects. This ensures consistency when you iterate. Make sure to name layers and use meaningful groups. That reduces confusion later and enables rapid team handoff. Because organized files, you finish by wiring interactions and micro-animations in prototype mode to test user flows. Use presentation to validate timing and state changes. Once tested, run quick usability checks, gather feedback, and iterate component variants where problems appear. Then prepare developer handoff, export assets at required scales, provide CSS values and measurement specs, and publish a component library if needed. If something breaks, inspect constraints and auto layout first. Fixing those usually restores responsive behavior and resolves most layout issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.